Hi guys, my name is Connie and I'm doing a series of where I follow the Webflow University and creating like a mini lesson so we can connect the video lessons and actually apply them. Because I noticed that I wanted to actually have hands-on and try out some of the things that he was explaining. I will link the Webflow University at the bottom and the necessary files that we will be using. So to get started, we're going to start learning about grids today. Okay, so what you want to do is first start by downloading the drive or the images below. So hopefully you've watched the video, and what we're going to do is start off by creating a grid. So control or going here and selecting grid. And then you're going to drag the images onto your, like this white area, and you're going to drag them into the spaces. So I'll do that real quick and then I'll hop back in. Okay, so I didn't realize that the images that I provided were so large. So what you want to do is create this section. So I provided like 7 images. It was supposed to be 9, but 2 of them, the files were too large. So you're going to create a 2x4, and then you're going to open up the images and drag and drop them into each grid. And then I will come back and tell you what to do from there. Alrighty, so now we have all the images inside each grid. So as he showed in the video, he made classes for each of the grid sections so he can adjust the sizes, because as you can see, all of them are different sizes and we want to make them all nice squares. So what you want to do, which he didn't really show in detail, was that you click the image and then you're going to type in class, enter, and do that for all of them. One second, I'll be back. Okay, so another thing that you want to do before you start putting them in is that on the left-hand side, you want to change the size of the grid. So I put 200 pixels by 200 pixels, and the width is none, and you want to put it on cover. So it will adjust, so it won't shrink your images. So you're going to want to put it on cover, and then I'll do that to all of them and you can see the changes. Okay, so I just wanted to show now that I'm putting the class tag on all of these, the changes that we made earlier with the width, height, and the bit to cover, it's actually adjusting to all of them because the class keeps them consistent. It has the adjustments, it maintains them the same. So it's doing that for all of them. And now you have a grid. If you want your grid to have margins, then you want to move the paddings, adjust the paddings, the height, so it's off like this. And also, if you're having a hard time seeing it, you can also go to the left-hand side under background, and you change the background color to whatever you like. Oh, my bad. I don't want just the grid, I want the whole background. So if you want the whole background to change, you can select on body, background color, and gray. So now you can see them clearly because most of the pictures were white, but that is how you do the grid. I hope that was helpful and I was able to walk you through. If you do like this, I'm going to go down and finish more of the lessons, and I'll provide as much materials as I can, and hopefully we can learn together. Thank you.